Okay, so hi everyone, Roshan this side. In this particular video, we are going to see one of the ad account. In that ad account, total ad spend between 9 lakhs 33,000 rupees. And I will show you in this ad account what's working and what's not working. And we have to understand, we are like basically going to learn the what works and what you can learn for using this kind of a strategy in your ad account. Okay, so let's start. Maybe some reason I am blur some information because you can understand this is the client account. So let's understand one by one. Before that, I will tell you the some things so you can understand better way. In this ad account, there these all are results for 299 workshop. Okay, so these all are results coming for 299 rupees workshop. That's why this CPL is going to high. Okay, so we are going to see, first of all, we are going to see like most spend campaign. Okay, so if you see the most this one in this particular ad account campaign, like total ad spend between 2 lakhs 2 lakhs 96,000 rupees, and another in another campaign total spend is 1 lakh 53,000 rupees. And we can also see this campaign, this in this campaign ad spend is 97,000, another one is the 53,000. So you can see there are a few campaign where most of the amount is spent. So if you find the any winning campaign, so you don't need to stop that particular campaign because that campaign give you the better ROI. You can see there are multiple campaign launch in this ad account, but if you see there is 4 to 5 campaign only where most of the ad budget going. So that's why you have to identify which campaign you have to stop and which campaign you have to run continuously. Okay, we are also going to go deeply in each of the campaigns, so we look at the step by step. So these are all in this ad account, like a campaign 21,000 rupees. It's overall. So let's go first of all on that campaign, this one where we spend 2,96,000. So I click on the edit, and you can see this is the campaign 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So in this campaign there is a ad 8 ad set available, and if you see in each ad set there is a multiple ads creative. Okay, you can see if you count the on an average 4 overall in the one campaign you will get more than the 50 to 60 ads creative. This is the power of testing. You have to test multiple things for getting the getting what we can say getting results through campaign. So I will show you the some number before the showing inside the campaign. So let me open, this is the campaign. I come on the ad set level, so you can see this is the ad set level and you can see the results. If you see in this particular ad set, total website purchase we are getting 303, and total registration is 917. Average cost is 323. By the way, this is the paid workshop. People are coming after paying 299 rupees, so it's already profitable, almost profitable we can see, because people already paying 299 and then coming this in this workshop. So you can see, but if you see the campaign level, there is some campaign it's costing us high, like 407, 347, another is 352. But if you see the on an average, that is the 323 rupees. And why it's happening? Because of the ads, multiple ads creative testing. So if you see there is some campaign, this one in this ad set, like overall ad spend is 1,06,000 rupees. Okay, so you have to test the multiple things. Does it's not on only campaign level, you have to also test on ad set level, and then it's come to ad level. If you see, we launch one campaign, and one campaign there is a 7 to 8 ad set, and in 7 to 8 ad set, if you see total, if I select here 62 ads, you can see these are the 62 ads available. See, most people doing 2 to 3, 4, 5, 6 testing, but in this ad account there is like multiple testing available. That's why this account's getting good purchase. Okay, I hope you get it. And now I will open the campaign, and then we'll show you the some settings on campaign level and ad set level, and as well as the ad level. Okay, so let's do it. I open the, yeah, this one. I click on edit. So this is the campaign level. Here he already selected the name. This is the objective of sales. See, if you are doing the any paid workshop and any paid things, you have to also always choose the sales campaign. Okay, and here you choose the ad set level because of the like multiple variation for testing the multiple ad set. You have always choose the ad set budget. Okay, it's enough. Here is the only two changes. First, your objective is sales. Second is ad set budget. Let's come on the what we can say ad set level. See, in ad set level, there is a name. Here is the conversion location website. Here is our goal. Here is the data set conversion event. So in this particular scenario, he is using website, and you can see budget is 400 है ना, for testing this for creative. And what we have, location is India, and target age is 24 to 54 because of the this workshop only for women. That's why gender is targeting only women. So you can see it is enough. That's all. It's not doing anything. Okay, I hope you got it, like what you're getting. So broad female testing, like here he is testing the like only genders. And if you see on the another ad set level, so here I can show you. Here he is testing the targeting. Age is same, gender is same, targeting testing. है ना? So these kind of the all things like testing with multiple way. Here is the another targeting testing. Here is the another targeting. Here is the another targeting. So these kind of the all things are testing. So due to some like personal reason, I can't able to open the ads creative because it's already going on. Na. So yeah, I hope you understand. I open the this particular ad account with you as well. I will also, if you wanted to know each and everything regarding this kind of the campaign, you can book call one-to-one with me, and me and my team will help you to achieve this kind of the result. But if you see the overall results of this particular campaign, so let me mark this 1, 2. And another is 97.3. Let's calculate 4, and let's come on ad set level. So if you see the total ad spend is between 6 lakhs rupees. In total 6 lakh we are getting 1567 registration. Cost per registration is 383. See, most people getting like 100 registration, then their CPL is going up. But in this ad account, like this thing is not happen. है ना? So these things possible when you are doing multiple testing at a time, then this is possible. Okay. So yeah, I hope you find it valuable this video, and let me know if you have any question related to this. We are take care of that questions, and if you want to do similar kind of the results for your businesses, let's book your one-to-one call and discuss how we can go ahead. Okay. So yeah, thank you so much. If you like this video, just click on the like button, subscribe the YouTube channel. We meet in the another video. Thank you. Bye.